Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to show you another conversion of pictorial weave into orthographic projection. Let's start without wasting time. So look at the image clearly. So this is the given image. For clear understanding of this one, I have shaded this portion. So the red line indicates the front view. See, always you have to look in the given image. They will mark one side. So that side only you have to take front view. Here they are indicated letter F. That indicates you have to take this side as a front view. So this red mark will show you how it appears in the front view. Green mark will show you how it will appear or what are the portions will appear in the top view, and the blue mark will indicate you the side view. So let's start. So in a front view, as I told, there is a red block we can see the dimension of 75 into 15 rectangle we can see. Then this portion, so that's red indicated portion, this portion we can clearly see that one. So I will go to drawing. Then after opening that drawing view, we have to first do the sheet setup for the drawing. So just wait, go to right click on the sheet setup. So preferably we will take A4 sheet, then remove this background, click OK, and click on fit screen button. Then take the line, carefully observe this image again. Here they have not mentioned side views, only front view and top view they have mentioned. Since this is symmetric image, you can take either take right view or left view. So I will start the drawing here only. First draw one common reference line you draw. Straight line. Then start, as I told in the image. First, we can see the length of 75 mm. Enter 75. Press on enter key. And this height will be 15. So you complete one box. This dotted line indicates straight line. Then look at the image carefully. Total length is 75. This middle bar, this dimension of 45. We have to look at carefully. Total is 75 and this 45 length is exactly in the middle. That means either side we have to leave the gap correctly. That means just minus 75 minus 45. That means you just subtract this dimension from 75. When you subtract 75 minus 45, you will get 30. So that you have to divide. That means 15 this side, 15 either side you have to take. So first you take the line 15 gap from here, enter 15 mm, press enter key, then take this line. After 15, you take overall height. The total height before this line ends, only up to here the height will be 75. Then take total height of 75. Then close this line. This gap is once again 45. So then complete this image. Since the diagram is above, I will select the entire line and I will go to move tool and I will just move this down. Okay. Then clearly observe it is not straight edge. Up to the 75 we have taken, there is a slant edge of 15 mm height. This height is 15 mm. So from the center I will take. So this dot on line indicates center. From here I will take 15, enter 15 length and click on enter line. Straight line you draw and join by this side. Take the line carefully. This tip, select this tip and join this here and trim the lines which are not required to you. So this will give you the front view of the image. Then take line. So while drawing projection line only, you can just change the thickness to 13. So draw the projection lines so that you can easily draw the top views, extend the projection lines from each and every point. So extend it. Look at the image from the top. So from the top, we can see this green line indication. That means, so first of all, we can see one base rectangle of 30 by 75. And in the middle, we can see this gap. As I told, so total here also, this is totally 75 and middle portion is 45. So the gap will be 30 either side. Then we have to leave 15 from the both the side. So first you draw the total length is same from here to here. That is nothing but 75. You can enter or you can draw this one. So I will change the line thickness here. So line thickness make it as 0.5. So take line tool. Before drawing you take zero point 0.5. Then this gap will be 30. Enter the dimension 30. Then complete this rectangle. Next. So from the middle you have to take. So this gap is middle, but what is the gap from this side? Once again, go back to image. Just look at this one. This total length, that means this total length is 30 from the top view, and this slab gap is 15. Here, again, you have to subtract this 15 from 30. 30 minus 15 is 15. When you divide the 15 equally, you will get 7.5. That means from this point, you have to leave 7.5 either side. Take 7.5 from one side, enter, leave that gap, then you join this one. So here this gap is 15, then complete this rectangle. So you trim the line, this is not required. So if you want, you can just extend the projection line. So you extend the projection line that is required. And so as we told, when we look at the image from the top, we can see this point also. If extend one projection line from this point also, is change thickness 13 is there. Then from the tip of the line you draw projection line. So dark this line also, go to line tool, again change the thickness to zero point 0.5, dark this line here. So you join it exactly. I'm going to redraw. So from this point, center point to this line thickness is not changed. Change the thickness to zero point 0.5. So this will be the top view. Then for getting side view, you can say take either left side or right side view. I will take left side view only, which is coming on right side. So then cross the line, just tab, enter tab because we need angle. Since it is downward, I will take minus 45 degree so that the angle will be like this. To get the side view, I will project the line. Line will touch us to 45 degree, then extend the line. So here also line will, when will touch the 45 degree, extend to the top. So from the middle also you extend two lines, extend the lines from the top view. Now you extend the lines from the front view also. So here from this point you have to extend. Then from the base of the image you extend lines. Carefully you have to draw the straight lines. So now look at the image carefully. In side view, we can see the outermost, this one rectangle shape, then this middle rectangle. And when we look at the side, we can see this also, this portion, slanted portion also visible from the side view. If you draw this one here, so from the outside, we just change the thickness of the line. So we know that one, this is the outermost box. So you can directly enter the value, or from the views also, you can get the point. Directly you can draw outermost point, and from this one, it will go straight up to here. So without any dimension, I'm drawing with the help of the outside projection lines. Okay, then so you have to show some dimensions, at least two dimensions on each view we have to show. This is 75 exactly. This gets 15. Then this gap you show here. So this is again 75. This is 30, and this gap would be 45. So you trim the lines which is not required outside the projections. You can just trim it. So here also you can trim the lines. Then show some dimension. Here also you can use smart dimension tool. So this overall gap, once again, total 90, 75 plus 15, that is total height it is showing. This side also. So this line is not straight, I think. I will delete the line and I will redraw the line. Dimension 2, distance between this point to this point would be 15. Then you using this text tool, you can write the view's name. This is front view. Write in capital letter. This is front view, and this one will be top view, and this one will indicate side view. So this is the completed orthographic projection of given pictorial view. Thanks for watching.